Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate MCP servers with Cursor. So as you know, MCP servers allows any AI model to interact with other apps, your local file system, or with Windows terminal or Linux terminal, your operating system overall. So every app has its own MCP server, so you can add your MCP servers here, and it will allow AI models to interact with it. So the way you do that, so you need to click on plus icon here, then you need to click on MCP server, then open MCP settings. Once you are here, you can click on add custom MCP. So you will see a JSON format here like this. So I already have this Parrot MCP server saved in my notepad. I can copy it and then I'll paste it here. So this is Playwright MCP server. So this MCP server allows Cursor to do browsing automation for me. So I give Cursor a command like open YouTube and search for this video for me. So it does that for me. So it is like browsing automation MCP server. So once you add the MCP server here, it is in JSON format. You can click on Control plus S. Then you need to go back. Then you need to click on plus icon here. As you can see, Playwright MCP server has been added to my cursor. You can check it from here again. So open. So as you can see, Playwright has been added and it is enabled. So where to find these MCP servers? So there are multiple GitHubs for this, and these two are my favorite. So this is the first one, Model Contest Protocol servers. So this is the official uh, GitHub for MCP servers. So this is maintained by official Git MCP server community, global MCP server community. So it contains MCP servers for Google Drive, Google Maps, AWS, GitHub, GitLab, etc. Sentry. And this is my favorite one. So this is a MCP server. You can see Pankai MC, awesome MCP server. So this contains of more than GitHub contains of more than 350 MCP servers. So it contains MCP servers for aggregation, agriculture, architecture, biology, cloud platforms, coding execution, coding agents, command line, database, data platform, etc. So you can click on any of these, and you need, for example, I can click on code execution, and there are many MCP servers. You can click on any of these, copy the MCP server, and then you can paste them here like this. You can paste them below the Playwright MCP server, which I've already added. So you can add as many MCP servers as you want and automate your AI model. Thank you so much for watching this video.